NMAX stock analysis and price predictions for tomorrow. Is it a buy? Watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. I've documented 49,000 live trades and analysis videos on this channel. Here's what's working for me. With Newsmax Incorporated, this is a bearish market where it actually started kind of pumping bullish. But before I get into that, just want to show you how much receipts I have with this beforehand. I have like 6 receipts, which is a good amount. You can see beforehand I had a bearish ideation that delivered. I don't like this at all. Like, not just the bearish side, but even the bullish side either. So this could possibly start like a good bullish market if I see a double break like this, and that's the only thing that I'm basically going to look for, because I really don't care about bearishness. I call it like a worthless market. So if I possibly see that confirmation and there's a lot of demand here, it could shift. Am I going to trade it? Well, let's wait to see how that confirmation is going to look like, right? Not forcing anything. So for me, at least, I just want a first sign of bullishness, which is going to be that break just above this line here, which is that 779. Otherwise, man, everything else is pure noise. So if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years, completely free, click the first link in the description. Bye-bye.